Hello friends, today we will discuss about network devices. Okay, these are the objectives. NICs, repeaters, hubs, bridges, switches. There are different devices, they works on the different layers. The hubs are working in physical layer. Switches, bridges, NICs are work in data link layers. The layer 3 switches work in network layer. Okay. Now here NICs, network interface card. This NIC has interfaces for twisted pair, thick net and thin net connectors. Repeaters. Due to attenuation or loss, signal degrades over distance. Repeaters clean, amplify and resend signals that are weakened by long cable length. Repeaters are built into hubs or switches. Now next slide. Hubs. Hubs work on OSI layer 1. Hubs regenerate the network signals. They propagate signals through the network. They cannot filter network traffic. They cannot determine best path. They are used as network concentration points. They are really multi-port repeaters. Next, bridges. A layer 2 device designed to create two or more LAN segments, each of which is a separate collision domain. The purpose is to filter traffic on a LAN to keep local traffic local, yet allow connectivity to other segments of the network. Filter traffic by looking at a MAC address. Frame filtering. Next, bridges. Now, if the frame is addressed to a MAC address on the local side of the bridge, it is not forwarded to the other segment. MAC addresses on the other segment are forwarded. Bridges maintain a MAC address table for both segments they are connected to. Now switches. Each port is a simulated segment to itself. Uh, uh, this is the internal figure of switch, and these are the ports uh, we connect to the network. Now store and forward switches. Do error checking on each frame after the entire frame has arrived into the switch. If the error checking algorithm determines there is no error, the switch looks in its MAC address table for the port to which to forward the destination device. Highly reliable because doesn't forward bad frames. Slower than other types of switches because it holds on to each frame until it is completely received to check for errors before forwarding. Now intelligent switches. Intelligent switches provides LANs with all the benefits of switching. Fine in small networks. Intelligent switches tracks and reports LAN performance statistics. Have a database. ASIC means application specific integrated circuit on board to collect and store data which you view through a software interface. Now layer 3 switches. By definition, a switch filters or forwards frames based on MAC addresses. This makes a switch a layer 2 device. Now we have layer 3 switches which have routing capability. If a data frame can't be switched, it is routed. Each port is separate LAN port, but the forwarding engine actually calculates and stores routes based on IP addresses, not MAC addresses. Usually support only IP or IP and IPX. Thank you.